function is defined by f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 into f of x. Given f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Substitute x is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square. And then f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equals to log of mod 1 plus x plus 1 2x by 1 plus x square substitute చేయాలి 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Then simplify the expression inside the logarithm. Simplify the expression inside logarithm. Then 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Here we have 1 plus x square is LCM, 1 plus x square plus 2x into 1 2x by denominator is 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square gets cancelled. A square, here we have a square plus b square plus 2ab becomes 1 plus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square. Then we can write this 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. F of 2x by 1 plus x square is equals to 2x by 1 plus x square is equals to log of mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Using the logarithm property, log of a power b is equals to b log a. Using the logarithm property, log a power b is equals to b log a. Now this equals to 2 into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equals to f of x. So this is 2 into f of x.